Okay, guys, we are doing an unboxing video. So let's get to it. Wait, what is it? There's a note. Oh, that's not a note. That's just about this. I'm not gonna read it out loud since it's a surprise for you guys. That's not actually a note. As you can see, it's just a eBay note. What is it? What is it? Wait, I can't really see what it is. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's a Frosty! It's a Frosty the Snowman. It's the black hat, which is like super rare. Would you take a look at this guy? Oh, hold on. Hold on, guys. Now, would you take a look at this guy? All right, let's see if he turns on after I put everything back in there. Oh, and this piece of foam. All right, let's see if he turns on. All right, let's add batteries. And all right, I put new batteries in since there was no batteries. Let's, yeah, it's on demo, so let's try it. All right, that was demo mode. Now, let's switch it to full mode. And for the people who are new to the Gemmy community, this is a Walmart exclusive black hat, and I have a green hat upstairs in my room, which is the most common version. This one is like an uncommon version. And yes, it's a hard hat like the green hat. So, let's do the full mode. Hold on, I better hold him. Oh my gosh. I'm just holding him so he doesn't fall over because of the... And if anybody wants to repair this, just let me know in the comments. And thank you.